Welcome to 729 Lynn Haven Way at Wild Horse Ranch, a private community. This gorgeous home is situated on 5 acres. Super special home out here. The property is fully fenced. Wraps all the way in the back. There's a little guest house. You've got this amazing deck here. You can hear the gorgeous birds in the background. Here we go. We enter the home. Beautiful cherry hardwood floors. Great living room. Opens to the kitchen. Nice gas fireplace. Perfect little dining area right off the kitchen. Gorgeous, beautiful island gas cooktop, double oven, yeah. Big pantry, wraps all the way around. You've got a trash compactor, a dishwasher, stainless steel sink, laundry area. Right off here, we'll look out the back deck for the backyard. You've got a 2-car garage over there. Wraps all the way around. And tucks back here with an extra little storage area here. We'll go back inside and take a peek at the nice bedrooms. There's 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. Here is the first. Nice ceiling fan. Beautiful view of the oak tree. Closet with mirrors. Down this hallway, you have the bathroom that's shared with the guests and these 2 bedrooms. Excellent storage. Just great. Wrap around. Shower over tub. Here's the second bedroom. Very bright. Great views. Good closet. And then you have the master right over here. Very spacious with its own private deck. You come on in here. Closet space. Great closet space. And it wraps all the way around. And you've got so much sun in here. Shining through. We've got a really good size master here. With beautiful deck off there. We'll wrap around into the bathroom. You've got a shower, more closet space, double sinks, and a giant jacuzzi tub. How awesome is that? We'll come out over here. And we'll access the rest of the property. The property goes all the way up to the back